so we're back today, and Flo is eating another beetle. I'm going to give her some more in a second. Thanks for watching.